I just got home from work, y'all. We've been busting our butts to get ready for Memorial Weekend. And I'm tired. Y'all see? I'm tired. And I got 2 or 3 videos I need to record. I got stuff to do. I don't have time to be tired. I really want to lay down and take a nap. But instead, let's make some coffee, shall we? Javi Coffee was kind enough to send me some of their concentrated coffee. As you can see here, this is the original flavor. So I'm going to shake it up. I've already taken my cup and put ice and cold water in it. I'm going to add some of the concentrated Javi coffee to it. I'm going to put in some heavy whipping cream. And now I'm going to take this whipped cream. It's like a hand blender. I'm going to put the heavy whipping cream in it. And then the magic begins. I'm going to take the Javi coffee and put it in the heavy whipping cream. And we are going to make coffee flavored whipped cream. The thing that I love most about Javi Coffee when I was on their website is they care about leaving a profound and positive environmental, social, and governance impact, which I think is amazing. Javi has several different flavors like French vanilla, caramel, mocha, and they even have decaf. And right now on their website, they are having a sale. There is a link down in the description box, and there is also a code to save you some money. So it takes just a few minutes to create this amazing whipped cream. Look at this, y'all. Doesn't that look delicious? Coffee flavored whipped cream using Javi coffee. And now I'm just going to stir up my iced coffee so that I can put my coffee flavored whipped cream on it. That looks so good. So good. And now for the taste test. That was so good, y'all. See how wide awake I am now that I've had my Javi coffee? Let's get into this BoxyCharm by IPSY for the month of May. I just left on the makeup that I had because, like I said, I just got home from work. And I took the palette. It came with this iconic London Beachside Babe eyeshadow palette. It's a very pretty palette. I have not been impressed with Iconic London's formula. This performed fairly nicely. This one shade here seemed to really ball up. I'm not sure. That may be a cream to powder. Maybe that's why. But it's a very pretty shade. I should have looked, but that is really pretty. Does it say? It does not say that it's a cream, but it kind of has a creamy texture. It does say that they're buttery, but I just took my daytime look to a nighttime look, but this is very wearable. I would definitely use this palette for work, and I may use it tomorrow for work. This palette retails for $40, so I'm not mad at it. I'm going to continue to use it. This seems to be a lot more pigmented than some of the other Iconic London palettes that I've tried, and it comes in this little sleeve. The other item that I used is this Toy Factory Dream Set. This is a highlighter set. It has 4 highlighters in it, and it has a little mirror. Very pretty shades. This shade here is what I used on my lips. And then I did put a little bit of this shade This is Metaverse. And this one is called Date Night. I put a little bit of this in my inner corner. This palette as well retails for $40. That seems to be a little high, but very pretty shades. Very buttery. That would make a very pretty topper. Very pretty. The other two shades are Bisha and Haloplex. It says highlighter serum palette. Let's see what that's about. Your serum and highlighter are now one. Blinding pigment blends hyaluronic acid with niacinamide and squalene for a glowy, soft, professional glam. Keeping your glow moisturized, not cakey. A versatile skincare and makeup hybrid. Okay, well that would explain why this retails for $40 and it's upside down. The reason it's upside down is because it was right side up on the back side. But anyway, I'm not mad about that either. That's a nice palette. I will be interested to continue to try that. I may put that in my June shop my stash and play around with it. And then we have this Pacifica Hawaiian Ruby Guava Parfum. And it smells really good. The problem is it's been a minute since I sprayed that on and it's pretty much gone. This is what the bottle looks like. Nice little bottle, and this retails for $22. I love perfume, and I'm going to try that again and see how that wears when I try it on tomorrow for work. I also got this silky leave-in conditioner. It's paraben free and sulfate free. It's got aloe vera leaf extract and jojoba seed oil. And my hair, you see I have finally gotten to color my hair again. I'm so happy. I just love my purple. And before I colored it, my hair was feeling really dry. It still feels a little dry right there. So I'm excited to try some leave-in conditioner and see how this performs. That retails for $18. And then I have this pineapple and coconut prep and prime polishing primer. It has horsetail, that's hard to say, plant extract in it. And this retails for $17. This is by Pastel Dry. And this is for your hair. I thought it was for your face, but it's for your hair. It's before you use heat tools and things like that. It has a very nice light smell to it. It smells really good, and it feels very light and hydrating. So I'm excited to use that too, although I don't use a lot of heat tools. I rarely dry my hair. I might put the blow dryer to my hair 2 or 3 times a year. I don't do it very often. I like to let my hair air dry, but I will curl it every once in a while. So the last thing I got was my, what's it called, Beauty Boost that I had to pay for. This is Ole Hendrickson Strength Trainer Peptide Boost Moisturizer, and I don't, $16.99 or something like this. And what is this worth? $51, and I think I paid 16 something for it. I've already canceled the Beauty Boost because I don't need any more skincare. I'm trying to be very minimal with my skincare. That smells really good, and I do like a good peptide, but I'm not going to pay $51. So, I mean, it's nice to try, but then I'm just going to move on to something else because I'm not paying $51 for that skincare product. But I am going to give it a try because I did pay $16.99 or something like that. So those are all the items in my BoxyCharm by IPSY, and it's okay. It's an okay box. I'm still not super impressed with IPSY taking over BoxyCharm. I loved my BoxyCharm. It didn't need to change. It needed to stay the same, and it has not. So I'm still undecided on whether or not I'm going to keep this. As of right now, I'm leaning towards that I'm going to cancel it, because even the little shop sale things that you can go in and buy, they're not the deals that BoxyCharm had. They're quite a bit more expensive. You're still getting it at a discount, but I just miss my BoxyCharm. I miss you, BoxyCharm. So there we go. Thank you so much for hanging out with me and watching me unbox my BoxyCharm by IPSY for the month of May. Go get you some Javi Coffee. Go out and sit on your back porch and make you some iced coffee or some hot coffee. It's a little cool tonight, so I could have done some hot coffee too, but get you some Javi Coffee. Don't forget, there's a link and a discount code down in the description box if you want to give Javi a try. That coffee flavored whipping cream, oh my gosh, that was so good. It was absolutely delicious. So before you go, buy some Javi Coffee or whatever else it is you're going to do. Make sure you show that like button some love. And as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are. And we are all beautiful at any age or any size. Find something to be grateful for today. Pull your makeup out and play with it. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye. Christopher, you should have been home for iced Javi Coffee. It was really good, but you're fishing. Did you wear your sunscreen before you went fishing? I sure hope so. Even though the sun's gone now. Maybe you're catfishing. Maybe you needed some leave-in conditioner. No. Sunscreen. Maybe you're out fishing and you're going to let yourself bloom. I have no idea what I'm talking about. See? There's even SPF Mythbusters. Anyway, I hope you're catching a big fish. Mama loves you, boo.